Hello everyone, today I will show you how to archive messages on Roblox. And here's how it is done. First, go to the homepage and on the left side, you will see messages. I will click on that and as I scroll through, I can see most of them are insignificant. Aside from the Reddit applied for purchase message, everything else is spam. So, I will click the button to select all the messages and then mark them as read. After refreshing the page, the notification count will decrease. I'll repeat the process for the remaining notifications on the second page. Once the inbox is cleared, I will move everything over to the archive by clicking on Archive. If you ever need to move something back to your inbox, just select the message and click Move to Inbox, and it will be there. I will go ahead and move it back to Archive for now. And that is how you archive messages on Roblox. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.